The parents on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The parents.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate realistic video with AI in less than 3 minutes. So over here, we open our ChatGPT. Already have the prompts here, so you copy. I'm not going back to this prompt because I have a previous video to show you how to generate a realistic prompt. So you type hello AI. So you make sure you check, you see this website, the link like this, you click reimagine video creation. So you come to their home page. So this is the mind section. Is whatever you are going to create is going to be on top. So over here are previous creations that I've made. These are the animational creations that I've made. So on the top here, we go back to ChatGPT. You copy our prompt. So you right click, you copy, you come back to your home, then you paste to wherever you have to type your text. So you make sure your prompt is detailed to generate a realistic video for you. So over here, you click on the tab, the 30 tab, then you see, wow, it's creating. So it will take a few time depending the number of people on this website, but at the end, you are going to generate a realistic video. We have our video, and this is the prompt. Whatever be the case, if you want to create adjustment, you can copy the prompt, then you go back over here, then you so over here we can download directly from here. Then you could see it has been to your computer hard drive. So you open the folder, then you can preview from your computer. As you can see, wow, our video is really realistic. Wow. Okay, so we still have to go back and do what is necessary. All right, these are previous videos. I want to play one and we all see how it's looking. This is looking like a 3 years standard work, but it was within less than 3 minutes. All right, so you can delete, you can download over this button. Let's go back and see what we can do in another way. So over the prompt, as you copy the prompt, you can still come back here, you paste the prompt, and you still make an adjustment. Wow. But in always, you can still delete everything, then you type your personal prompts, like let's type commando in, right? Commando in action field shooting, then you add cinematic. Normally when you want it to look realistic like a movie, you have to add cinematic. Never that it will look like a 2D animation. So over here, let's see how it's going to. Wow, this is looking really realistic. I cannot imagine. Wow. So that's commando on a few. You see, we didn't add any characters. We just say commando. That's why you can see only commando on a few. So you can go into details. You add commando with 2 warriors. How you can even imagine it, whatever it can be. All right, so you click on the download, then you can see it has been downloaded. Wow, so this is all I have to show for you for today. If you want any clarification, you can hit me on it.
The parents on the bus go shh, shh, shh.